angels, welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome if you are new and this is the first time that you have seen my channel. So my name's Tara. I do makeup tutorials and things like that. I'm going to do some different things on my channel as well this year, but mainly I do makeup tutorials. So if that's something that tickles your fancy, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and join the family. So in today's video, guys, we have got to tackle the Christmas decorations because it's the 6th of January and my decorations are still up. I've been working at work. I'm a full-time care assistant in a care home at the moment. And yeah, it's just been full on. So let's clean this house. So I'm gonna do a speed clean. So I'm gonna do probably time lapses and just jump in between and let you guys know what I'm doing and what products I'm using. And I'm in my pajamas. I'm in my Grinch pajamas. So not gonna lie, when I clean my house, 9 times out of 10, I'm in my pajamas and that's the way it is. And I basically have a shower, get clean pajamas on and watch Netflix after. So let's jump straight into this video because this intro is gonna take forever. Not gonna lie, this is kind of sad. I love my Christmas tree. Never mind. It'll be up again next year. Goodbye to the angel. That's the tree put in the box. I'm not sure if I showed you guys, but I bought a tree skirt and this was like $1.99 from Home Bargains. And it's quite cute. It's got little elves on it. So I quite like that. From the pound shop and they're so cute. I picked them up last year. Can't remember if I showed you when I put my tree up whether I did or not. But these are the most cutest little things ever. So they'll be going away for next year. I'm going to take my lights from the window down now. That's a fight for next year.
This Christmas card from Barbara and George at work, thank you so much. A little penguin one. And this is from Muriel at work, so thank you. Nice cute little card from a stepdad, so thank you for that. It's got this one. This is from actually my boss at work, so thank you, Barry. A little dinosaur one. This is from Tony's mum and dad. This one is from my stepdad. This one is obviously from my Tony, so cute. This one is the one I got him, which I thought was so cute. The one with a little special cup on it with 2 teddy bears. This is off my sister and my nieces and nephews. This one is off my mum. She always gets me the most beautiful cards. Absolutely love them. Always breaks me when I read a really good Christmas card or birthday card or any card, but my mum always gets really good cards. I've got this one, which is super cute. This one's from Tony's auntie and uncle, Sue and Steve. And then I've got this little one. And this one is from my stepdad Colin, so thank you so much.
2 little guys have got to go away. I got these off my sister in like a little Christmas box last year. And it's of a little spaceman and a little cute penguin. And I love them so, so much. So they're going in the Christmas box for next year. And again, this is going to be a fight for next year. These I got from Home Bargains and they were 99p, guys, and I absolutely love them. They've got like little berries on as well. And they just made the room look festive and the room looks really bare right now. So yeah. The last 2 pieces are these cute little teddy bear candle holders. My mum gave me these years ago and I just absolutely adore them. They're just so cute. So we're going to say goodbye to these and then we're going to crack on with the rest of the cleaning. Before I hoover this sofa, I'm going to spritz this all over it. This is a cheaper version than Febreze. I get this from Home Bargains for about £1.49 and it's gorgeous. So it's the Tough Buster Fab Fresh fabric spray and it smells gorgeous and it's in rose and pink poignée. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I'm gonna do that. And because my sofa is half leather and half fabric, I'm going to wipe down the leather parts with a bit of this. This is the Fabulosa cleaning product from Home Bargains. I think it's about 99p. It's a dupe for the Zoflora and it smells really nice and I've got mine in fresh linen. Then I give it another spritz of this. To do that all the time because I have a little dog and she sheds hair like nobody's business. So yeah. Hey, get down, 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 I'm just hooving it. She is a nightmare, but I love her. So that's the sofa all done. And I do have to put that blanket down because, I do have to put that blanket down on my sofa because one, Maisie's hairs get literally everywhere, and two, she's in season, so I don't want blood all over my sofa. The next thing to do is the coffee table. Candle from Asda, completely dead, so I'm gonna just throw that away, but I do keep the glass bowl and just put candles from B&M, Poundland, all that kind of thing in here. So that'll be going. Good old Mr. Sheen, 99p from Home Bargains. Under the coffee table, we have some chocolate biscuits. I'm actually on a diet now, so I won't be eating these, but Tony will. Also, these under the coffee table, it looks like I'm a chocolate hoarder. But yeah, like I say, I'm on a diet now, so no more chocolate for me. And then I like to put my little oil burner in the middle of the table once I finish cleaning or while I'm cleaning. And this is just a little oil burner from the pound shop. You can also get them in Home Bargains for about £1.99. But I absolutely love this. This is absolutely filthy because it's an oil burner. So I'm just gonna pop it on the middle of the table. The little oil wax melts that I like to use on it are these. I get these from Home Bargains. These are just the Air Pure Fresh Linen Matte Wax Melts. They're about £1.99, probably 99p, something like that anyway. And these smell absolutely lovely. If you like fresh linen smells, which I do, definitely try these. I'll just get one little square and pop that in the middle. And then I'm running out of my candle lights, tea lights. So I get mine from either Poundland, Home Bargains, B&M, places like that. I normally get the 8-hour burnware, but Tony picked these up and he got them in the 4-hour. So yeah, so I'm just gonna, I've literally only got 2 of these left, which is brilliant because I used 2, one in my living room and one in my hallway. So I'm just gonna pop this on. And then just use my little fire clicker. And that's it. Next thing to do, windowsills and windows. So yeah. So for the window, I'm gonna use this Astonish window and glass cleaner. It's a natural cleaning with vinegar, quick drying, streak free. You get 750 mils in this, and I got it from Home Bargains for £1.99. Bed is all back to normal with a cage. I didn't film that bit because I just didn't, but that's her bed all sorted, her cage and everything back in its usual place. If you do want to see how I clean her cage out and set it all up, then just give me a comment in the comments below or a thumbs up, and I'll do that. So now I'm just going to bring in my unit that sits here. It's been in my dining room since like the 21st of November, so it's time to come back in. And I got this unit from IKEA. I can't remember how much it is, but if I find it, I will link it down below for you guys if you're interested. So I'm just going to go bring that in now. It just fits perfectly in like this little archway area, and I'll just tilt it down so you can see the whole thing. So it's like got little boxes in between. So guys, that is it, literally done. The living room is back to normal and I couldn't be much happier. So I can go into 2020 with a clear head now that the lounge is completely and utterly clean. So I hope you like this video. I know it's a bit different for me. So if you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Love you all and stay beautiful.